Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Some people they ask me about advice on how to give a speech, how to give lectures, these sorts of things. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that speaking, giving speeches, doing these videos, it's different from general speaking. General speaking, you just speak how you normally speak, just how I normally speak here. But when you're giving a speech, you speak differently. You need to project your voice. You can use hand gestures as I'm doing now. You can, take gaps for the audience to be able to understand what you're saying. So rather than just saying everything quickly like this, you take gaps so the audience can understand what you're saying. You say it in a nice projected voice so people can hear what you're saying, and you say it in a manner as though where people are actually interested and it can hook people in. I know it depends from person to person, and different people like different styles. But that's just how I went about it. And it just takes a lot of practice. My speeches are still horrible. They were always horrible. But I improved it through practice, more practice, just speaking. I used to be the shyest guy on the face of the planet. SubhanAllah, how much I've changed. But yeah, there's a difference between normal general speaking. Like general speaking, you just speak like how you usually would. Like, how you doing? How's everything? Doing well? You just speak quickly. You just speak casually. But when you're giving a speech, it has to be professional, it has to be proper.